This is Beechley. This train is for Port Benton. The next station is Stepford Central. Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Port Benton. The next station is Stepford Central.
Does not stop here. Please stand back.
We will shortly be arriving at Stepford Central. Change here for services to Stepford Airport Central, Morganstown, Stepford UFC, and
Stepford
Whitefield.
East, St Helens
Please
Bridge,
mind the gap
Bowden,
between the train and the
Coxley,
platform.
Benton and Port Benton. This train is formed of 5 coaches.
This is Stepford Central. This train is for Port Benton. The next station is